Okay, so this is how it started. I built a different rat rod, a 28 Model A sedan, and I was looking on Marketplace and I saw this 1937 Plymouth Coupe. I thought I could make another rat rod out of that because it's a lot different than the Model A. So we went to Illinois and we found this, went and bought it and hauled it home. And then I kind of built it the same frame as the other one, but it's got a, instead of a 5.9 Cummins diesel like the other one, this is at a 3.9. And then put that in there. That's kind of unique, the 3.9. And then I told my wife I was going to put horse saddles in it, and she says, "You ain't putting horse saddles in there." I said, "Yes, I am." So then we found some horse saddles and put them in there. And then I was looking through Marketplace again, and I saw that Electrolux vacuum cleaner, and I called the guy up and I asked him how wide and how long it was, and I said, "I think that'll work." So I went and bought that, and now that's my air cleaner, and it goes in an Electrolux and comes out a Kirby. It goes in Electrolux and it comes out a Kirby.
Is
that's the Kirby right there, the exhaust, yes. So, and then we got it all pretty much done, and I thought it still doesn't look good enough, so then we threw a piece of re-rod on the fender, then we put some more re-rod on there, and that looked pretty cool. And then we put some re-rod on the trunk, and then we threw 900 rivets in it, 450 feet of rebar. Okay, like these are oil lamps that you got laid in the house. This is the rebar. There's 450 feet of it. And there's a tractor fender right there, a VAC case tractor fender. Yep, that's the tractor fender. And then there's two tractor fenders on the front visor. And that's what I ended up with right here. This is my mom, Ann. Pretty happy. So that's my story.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
This is really, that's diesel, right?
Yep, 3.9 Cummins.
Oh, it's a Cummins, so
Yeah.
she whistles.
Yeah. And here's a boat light for.
You go on this side to
Yeah. So that's the boat light for. I don't know if we go out at night. And then this is the front end here. And
Get out of her way. She wants to.
this is my mom, Ann, and that was her favorite lawn art, that butterfly. So we cut the stick off and welded it on there for her. So this is my mom, Ann.
Beautiful. Yeah.
It's got an iron and a hair dryer. Okay, so then we found my mom's grinder. See the grinder right there? The meat grinder. And then her old iron that used to run on kerosene. And then her old hair dryer.
Wow. Oh, look at these.
And then these are little, these are the blinkers. This is another oil lamp.
Really? Wow.
Yep. And then the windshield wipers, they work a lot better when it's not raining.
So do you ever drive it anywhere besides?
We drive it all the time. We drive it all the time. It's 2 weeks old. Last week we went to Green Bay, 150 miles the first trip, and it got me home. No problems. It goes 100 miles an hour down the road, and it rides really nice.
Really?
So, and I know it'll go 100. So, and it rides perfect. It's got air ride. So, yep. It turned out pretty slick. We started it 2 years ago,
2 years ago.
and it's 2 weeks old being done. So it turned out